called me and said, like, we need someone who is fluent in English to come and translate for these people from the U.S. The work that they are doing in Lesotho. So when I came there, I met Ron and Kelly, and it's where I believe it was 2013.
Nice.
And it's where
That's
we
a nice
started
camera.
being close and in the same project as we do now.
Yeah, and I understand too that some of the songs, Ron referenced them as lullaby songs. So can you explain the tradition in which, because I understand each individual is assigned a song, are there any chances that one person might get the same song?
No, everybody will have their own song, and even may have more than one lullaby song. Like right now, I have 2 songs for my baby. So there are 2 lullaby songs for my baby right now. But even myself, I have my lullaby song as Ron described it before. Every kid will have their own. They never like the same. We may share maybe some words like the papa, it is a boy, or yo, it is a girl, but just to identify it's a girl or a boy, but not like the same song. They will be totally different. They sing that since you are born until you grow up, until no matter how old you are, your parents will always sing as a sign of love, a sign of taking the baby. And when my friend of when I was getting married and leave home, my mom sang for me in the